Today I would like to show how we can change notification and ringtone sound from Messenger. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to Messenger option and tap on our own profile picture, which is step top of the left side. After tap on our own profile picture, we are going to notification and sound. After tap on notification and sound, now open this type of page and we are going to notification and sound and ringtone. Both are same process. We are going to notification and sound. After tap on notification and sound, open this ringtone list and we can select as per our choice. We select this one, so it's already changed. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell button also for our next video update. Thanks again for watching.